ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय कान्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद अश्वल ब्राह्मण पेज नंबर 685. What is mukti and what is ati mukti? What is mrityu?
स्वाभाविक आसंग
Swabhavika asanga. On that page, second line in Bhashya. Swabhavikat asangat mrityoho. Swabhavika means avidyaka. Because of avidya, the attachment, raga dveshas which are there, that is called mrityu. What is mukti? Mukti here is what? All of you can hear me?
Yes, Swamiji. Agni-bhava prapti.
Agni bhava prapti. No, that is ati mukti.
Free from Parichinna Rupa.
Huh?
Free from Parichinna Rupa is Mukti. From Parichinna Rupa.
Parichinna rupa. Huh. No, mukti is to see.
Mukti sadhana.
Mukti sadhanam. Mukti sadhanam is this upasana. What is the upasana? To see Hota as Agni and what? What else is Agni? Vak is also Agni. Hota is Agni, Vak is Agni. This upasana is mukti sadhanam, is called mukti. See in Bhashya, it is given, second paragraph. Sa ati muktihi, yaiva cha muktihi, ya eva cha muktihi, sa ati muktihi. अतिमुक्ति साधनम इत्यर्थः. साधन द्वयस्य परिच्छिन्नस्य या अधिदेवता रूपेण अपरिच्छिन्नेन अग्नि रूपेण दृष्टिः सा मुक्तिः. साधन द्वयस्य परिच्छिन्नस्य या अधिदेवता रूपेण अपरिच्छिन्नेन अग्नि रूपेण दृष्टिः. दिस इज मुक्ति. So that which is परिच्छिन्न, to see it as अपरिच्छिन्न. साधन द्वयस्य परिच्छिन्नस्य या अधिदेवता रूपेण अपरिच्छिन्नेन अग्नि रूपेण दृष्टि means अग्नि उपासनम. That upasanam is mukti. Agni bhava prapti is ati mukti. This upasana shabda, if it is difficult for someone to understand, simple way of understanding is bhakti. Because what is the prayojanam of upasana? Vairagya. What is the prayojanam of bhakti? Vairagya. This is to produce vairagya from Vishaya. When I have enough vairagya from Vishaya, then only I will have one objective, moksha. Until then, I have so many other things. That shows vairagya is not there. Anya prayojanams are there. Bhashya. या असौ मुक्तिर अधिदेवता दृष्टि सैव अध्यात्म अधिभूत परिच्छेद विषय आसंगास्पदम मृत्युम अतिक्रम्य अधिदेवतात्वस्य अग्निभावस्य प्राप्तिर या फलभूता सा अतिमुक्तिरित्युच्यते. या असौ मुक्ति, दैट विच इज मुक्ति, अधिदेवता दृष्टि. अधिदेवता हियर इज अग्नि. सैव अध्यात्म अधिभूत परिच्छेद, अध्यात्म हियर इज
वाक्
वाग इंद्रिय and adhibhuta is
होता
hota, you can take. Adhibhuta parichheda vishayasangaspadam mrityum atikramya. So vishaya asanga aspadam mrityum atikramya adhidevatattvasya agnibhavasya. That adhidevata which is agnibhava prapti. अग्निभावस्य प्राप्तिर या फलभूता सा अतिमुक्तिरित्युच्यते. That is called अतिमुक्ति. तस्याः अतिमुक्तेः. So this is atimukti. In Tika, let us see. प्राप्ति ही अतिमुक्ति ही इति संबंधः. अग्निभाव से प्राप्ति ही इट इज गिवन इन भाष्य. सो अग्निभाव से प्राप्ति ही, अग्निभाव प्राप्ति इज कॉल्ड अतिमुक्ति. सा अतिमुक्ति इति उच्यते. एंड व्हाट इज दैट? फलभूता. तामेव संगृह्णाति या फलभूता प्राप्ति ही. मीन्स फाइनली दिस इज वेयर इट शुड कल्पिनेट टू बिकम अग्नि. फलभूतायाम अग्न्यादि देवता प्राप्तौ कथम अतिमुक्ति शब्दोपपत्तिरित्याशंक्याः. अग्न्यादि देवता प्राप्तौ कथम अतिमुक्ति शब्द उपपत्ति है इति आशंक्याः. तस्या इति. तस्याः अतिमुक्तेर मुक्तिरेव साधनम. अतिमुक्तेः साधनम किम? मुक्ति ही एव. मुक्ति इज साधनम फॉर अतिमुक्ति इति कृत्वा सा अतिमुक्ति. एंड दैट्स व्हाई मुक्ति इज आल्सो कॉल्ड अतिमुक्ति. टीका. ननु वागादीनां अग्न्यादि भावो अत्र श्रूयते. यजमानस्य तु न किंचित् उच्यते तत्र. वागादीनां अग्न्यादि भाव you already spoke about, but yajmana you didn't say anything about yajmana. तत्र यजमानस्य ही अतिमुक्तिर वागादीनां अग्न्यादि भाव इति उद्गीथे उद्गीत प्रकरणे व्याख्यातम्. यजमानस्य अतिमुक्ति ही है. वागादि तम. तर्हि तेनैव गतार्थत्वात् अनर्थकम इदम ब्राह्मणम इति आशंक्य. दिस शंका वाज ऑलरेडी डन अर्लियर that this brahmana is anarthakam. Anarthakam, how will you do samas vigraha? Online, anybody? अविद्यमानो अर्थो यस्य इति और न विद्यते अर्थो यस्य इति अनर्थकम् बहुव्रीहि अनर्थकम् इदं ब्राह्मणम् गतार्थत्व मीन्स गतो अर्थो यस्य सः गतार्थः गत मीन्स ज्ञातः ब्राह्मणम किमिदं अनर्थकम इदं ब्राह्मणम इति आशंक्य बाढ़म इत्यादिना उक्तम स्मारयति अर्लियर वी हैड ऑलरेडी सेड बाढ़म yesterday now he says तत्र सामान्येन मुख्य प्राण दर्शन मात्रम मुक्ति साधनम उक्तम न तद विशेषो सामान्येन मुख्य प्राण दर्शन मात्रम मुक्ति साधनम उक्तम सामान्य ज्ञानम was given. What is that? मुख्य प्राण दर्शन मात्रम मुक्ति साधन न तो तद विशेषो. What is the विशेष? वागादीनाम अज्ञादि दर्शनम इह तद विशेषो वर्ण्यते. वागादीनाम अज्ञादि दर्शनम is the विशेष. It means mukhya prana upasana, that is the mukti sadhana, that was said. But how it will be done? Mukhya prana upasana means what? That vagadi will be seen as Agni, because prana is Agni. That's how in Udgita it was explained. So this is the Vishesha. दर्शनवत् फले अपि विशेषः स्यात् इति आशंका. Then in the phalam also there will be some vishesha. Darshanavat phalam means the upasanavat phalam. Upasanavan phala means the phalam which comes as the result of upasana, darshana. दर्शनवत् फले अपि विशेषः स्यात् इति आशंक्याः. मृत्यु प्राप्ति अतिमुक्तिस्तु सैव फलभूता यो या उद्गीत ब्राह्मणेन व्याख्याता मृत्युम अतिक्रांतो दीप्यत इत्याद्या. मृत्यु प्राप्ति अतिमुक्ति तु सैव फलभूता. मृत्यु प्राप्ति इज अतिमुक्ति, दैट इज द फलभूता. व्हाट वाज सेड इन उद्गीत ब्राह्मण या उद्गीत ब्राह्मणेन व्याख्याता मृत्युम अतिक्रांतो दीप्यत इत्याद्या. हाँ, सी दिस वाक्य मृत्यु प्राप्ति अतिमुक्ति ही. मृत्यु प्राप्ति मीन्स मृत्युम अतिक्रांति. मृत्यु अतिक्रांति is mentioned as मृत्यु प्राप्ति. Really, it doesn't mean you are attaining mrityu, you are crossing mrityu. To cross mrityu, you have to go past mrityu. That is prapti. So this mantra is complete. Prashnantaram avatarya tatparyam aha. Now another prashna is mentioned. Prashnantaram avatarya tatparyam. Yajnavalkyeti hovacha yadidam sarvam ahoratrabhyam aptam sarvam ahoratrabhyam abhipannam kena yajmano ahoratrayor aptimatimuchyata इति अध्वर्युणर्त्विजा चक्षुषा आदित्येन चक्षुर्वै यज्ञस्य अध्वर्युस् तद यदिदं चक्षुः सो असावादित्यः सो अध्वर्युः स मुक्तिः सा अतिमुक्तिः. Words are different, concept is same. Okay, what was earlier mukti, atimukti, same thing is given. And earlier the devata was Agni. Now the devata is Aditya. Earlier Indriya was Vak. Now the Indriya is Chakshu, because Vag and Agni has Sambandha. Chakshu and Aditya has Sambandha. And earlier it was Hota. Now it is Advaryu. Advaryuna, Ritvija, Chakshusha, Adityena. How many things are said? See, Advaryuna, Ritvija, Chakshusha, Adityena. How many things? How many things are said?
4.
3.
Who said 3?
3.
3. I.
What are the 3 things?
Chakshu,
Chakshu, Chakshu, Advaryu, and Aditya.
Because
Advaryu alone is Ritvik.
like earlier it was Hota, Hotra, Ritvija. Here Advaryuna, Ritvija. Shabda can be 4, but only 3 entities are referred to. So Chakshu is one entity, Aditya is Devata. So one is Adhiyajna, Ritvik's name is Advaryu in that way. See the mantra, Yajnavalkya iti hovacha. Again, Ashwala is bringing attention of Yajnavalkya by asking question. Yajnavalkya iti hovacha. Yadidam sarvam ahoratrabhyam aptam. Everything is in the grip of day and night. Kalah kridati gachatyayu. Tadapi na munchatyasha vayu. So Kala, time comes, goes, and suddenly one day when it is time of departure, then, oh, what I was supposed to do, I have such a long list of things to do. I wanted to do it when I was getting old. You are old and you are gone now. Sarvam ahoratrabhyam aptam. Most people don't realize this, and then when the time goes, time not comes, the departure time has come, and at that time they think, but I was supposed to do this. Now what about this? Now you, in the next life, you start early. Don't waste time like you did in this life also. That's all. That is the final message there. Sarvam ahoratrabhyam abhipannam. Abhipannam means everything is controlled by day and night. Aptam means pervaded. Abhipannam means it is vashikritam. Kena yajmano ahoratrayor aptim atimuchyata iti. By what this yajmana will go beyond the ahoratra. Iti. Adhvaryuna ritvija. Chakshusha adityena. By this. So what upasana he has to do? The chakshu of yajmana as Aditya. And Ritvik also as Aditya. Like how we did Agni, Hota as Agni, Vak as Agni, like that here, both of them as Aditya. Chakshurvai yajnasya advaryuhu. Yajmanasya chakshu is yajnasya advaryuhu. Tad yadidam chakshuhu so asav adityaha. So advaryuhu. This chakshu is Aditya is Advaryu. So Aditya is Chakshu, Aditya is Advaryu. In this way you have to do Upasana. Sa muktihi, sa atimuktihi. Sa muktihi means it is mukti sadhanam. What is the ati mukti? Aditya devata bhava prapti is ati mukti. टीका प्रश्नांतरम अवतार्य तात्पर्यम आह याज्ञवल्क्य भाष्य याज्ञवल्क्येति होवाच स्वाभाविकाद अज्ञान आसंग प्रयुक्तात् कर्म लक्षणान मृत्योः अतिमुक्तिर व्याख्याता. दिस मृत्योः अतिमुक्तिः मृत्योः अतिमुक्तिः मृत्योः इज विच विभक्ति? ऑनलाइन
पंचमी
पंचमी. मृत्यु हो अति मुक्ति, मृत्यु से मुक्ति व्याख्याता. तस्य कर्मणः सासंगस्य मृत्योः आश्रयभूतानां दशपूर्णमासादि कर्म साधनानां. So karmanah sasangasya karma, any karma that you do, it will be along with some attachment. Sasangasya karmanah. Asangena saha vartate iti sasanga. Mrityoho ashraya bhutana. Darsha purnamāsādi karma sadhana. Any karma sadhana will have asanga. So Darsha Purnamasa is only Drashtanta. Bhagavan Bhashyakar is giving Vaidika Drashtanta, but Laukika will have more Asanga. In Darsha Purnamasa Adi, if you have to do, you have to keep your mind according to Vedic thinking. Laukik thinking, there is total freedom. You do whatever you want, you do whenever you want. In Darsha Purnamasa, at least priest will say, oh, you can do only this, you have to do only at this time, only in this way. In Laukika Karma, government may decide, no, you have to do this way, that way, but limited. See Tika. Ashraya bhutani kani tani iti ashankyaha. What are these Ashraya bhuta? Darsha Purnamāsādi. Pratikṣanam anyathatvam viparinamah. Pratikṣanam anyathatvam viparinama hetu. Agnyādi sadhanāni ashritya kamyam karma mrityu shabditam utpadyate tesham sadhanānam viparinama hetutvat कालो मृत्युस ततो अतिमुक्तिर वक्तव्या इति उत्तर ग्रंथारंभ इत्यर्थः. अज्ञादि साधनानि आश्रित्य विपरिणाम इज प्रतीक्षणम अन्यथात्वम. What are the षड विकारास? In the morning, this is how it was given in today's class.
Asti Jai.
Jayate asti vardhate.
Vardhate.
First is Jayate. Main thing I want to point out is this. That's how it was given, right? When you do Shravanam, you should listen to what is said, not what you want to write. Jayate asti vardhate. Viparinamate is Chaturtha Vikara. What is Viparinama? Pratikshanam anyathatvam. So when you do Shravanam, this is more important. Shravanam means what is said you have to understand. If you want to write, what is said you have to write. Not what you want to write or what you had understood earlier. If you had already understood something earlier, what is the point in doing Shravanam now? So earlier I understood I am Deha. Then I am doing Shravanam. And in the Shravanam, in my notes I write down, I am Deha. And Shravanam is about you are Satchidananda. So Shravanam purpose is lost. The whole emphasis is when something is said, that is where you should pay attention. Viparinama is pratikshanam anyathatvam. After that comes apakshaya, apakshiyate. Apakshiyate stage begins from where? 30 onwards. It is 50 onwards is ideal, but for some people 30 onwards, some 35 onwards. Last one. अज्ञादि साधनानि आश्रित्य काम्यम कर्म मृत्यु शब्द अज्ञादि साधनानि आश्रित्य दर्श पूर्णमास some yaga will be there, dravya will be there, tatvikadi, all sadhanani ashritya kamyam karma will be performed for swarga. Mrityu shabditam utpadyate. Tesham sadhananam viparinama hetutvat. This sadhana means of the sadhana. Sadhanani, sadhana is the shabda. Viparinama hetutvat kalo mrityuhu. Kala is mrityu. Tato ati mukti hi vaktavya. So here kala in the form of ahoratra. Iti uttara grantha arambha. Ityartha. कर्मणो मुक्ति ही उक्ता चेत कालादपि सा उक्ता एव तस्य कर्मांतर भावेन मृत्युत्वात् इति आशंका आह. कर्मणः मुक्ति ही उक्ता चेत कालादपि सा उक्ता एव. कर्मणः पंचमी. From karma, if mukti is already said, then कालादपि मुक्ता उक्ता एव सा मुक्ति ही. तस्य कर्मांतर भावेन तस्य मृत्योः तस्य कालस्य कर्मांतर, it is another karma, कर्मांतर भावेन, so कर्म द्वारा in टिप्पणी it is given. मृत्युत्वात् इति आशंकाः पृथक्. In Bhashya, second line. Kalas tasmat viparinama hetuhu kala. Tasmat kalat pruthak atimuktir vaktavya. Viparinama hetu is kala. So mukti has to be different from kala. Kalat pruthak atimukti. Otherwise it will be within the grip of kala only. Iti idam arabhyate. टीका. कर्म निरपेक्षतया कालस्य मृत्युत्वं व्युत्पादयति. कर्म निरपेक्षतया कालस्य मृत्युत्वं. काल has मृत्युत्वं. कर्म निरपेक्ष means not dependent upon karma. कर्म निरपेक्षतया कालस्य मृत्युत्वं व्युत्पादयति. क्रिया अनुष्ठान व्यतिरेकेणापि प्राग ऊर्ध्वं च क्रियायाः साधन विपरिणाम हेतुत्वेन व्यापार दर्शनात् कालस्य. क्रिया अनुष्ठान व्यतिरेकेणापि without performance of any kriya अनुष्ठान etc. प्राग ऊर्ध्वं च क्रियायाः प्राग क्रियायाः ऊर्ध्वं साधन विपरिणाम हेतुत्वेन व्यापार दर्शनात् कालस्य. साधन विपरिणाम हेतु. साधन विपरिणाम हेतु is what? काल. साधन विपरिणाम हेतुत्वेन कालस्य. everything undergoes parinama. Kalo jagat bhakshakah. Kala is jagat bhakshaka. ठीक है. कालस्य पृथंग मृत्युत्वे सिद्धे फलितम आह. Kalasya prathak mrityu. When this is done, then what is the result of that? Tasmat prathak kalad atimuktir vaktavya iti ata aha yadidam sarvam ahoratrabhyam aptam sachakalo द्विरूपो अहोरात्रादि लक्षणस तिथ्यादि लक्षणश्च. Yadidam sarvam ahoratrabhyam aptam. All of this pervaded by ahoratra. Such a kalo virupo. That kala is of two forms. Ahoratradi lakshana. Ahoratra is only upalakshana. Because kala is samvatsara, ayana, masa, paksha, ahoratra, ityadi. All of this is kala only. Ahoratra is smaller unit which you can easily see also and realize that, oh, one more day is gone, one more day is gone. Because every day you sleep, get up and you realize one more day is over. Samvatsara, it takes time for one to recognize. And minutes, before you know, they are gone. So it is difficult to keep track. That's why ahoratra is taken here. Tatra. See, they have given ahoratradi lakshanas, tithyadi lakshanas, tithi. So another Amavasya came, another Pratipada came, another Ekadashi came. In this way, those who don't want to do Ekadashi and another Ekadashi, with just now Ekadashi. So in Kailash, during Chaturmasya, first of all, Chaturmasya is there, so after Suryasta anyway you cannot eat. Then on top of that, this Shravan Somvar is there. So Shravan Somvar you cannot eat anything after once you have eaten. Annam you cannot eat. Then Ekadashi days are there. On top of there, Krishna Janmashtami will also come. That day also you have to fast. Fasting only. So, and then these Navaratras come, you know. So those who do Ashtami fasting also, Navaratri fasting also, and then Ekadashi fasting also. The whole month goes in fasting only. That much upasana, that much upavasa you don't have to do. You can do more adhyana. Tatra ahoratradi lakshanat tavad atimuktim aha. Mukti from ahoratradi lakshana kala. Ahoratrabhyam hi sarvam jayate vardhate vinashyati cha. In day and night alone, sarvam jayate vardhate vinashyati. In Tika, let us see some. Uttara Granthastha Prashnayor Vishayam Bhetum Kalam Bhenati. Such a kala. It was there on the previous page. Such a kalo Sarvam Ahoratrabhyam Aptam. Such a kalo Dvirupo. So that this part of the text that kala is explained distinctly. Further in Tika, Aditya Chandrascha iti kartrubhedat dvaividyam unneyam. Aditya Chandrascha iti kartrubhedat. Because of Aditya, what will be there? Ahoratra. Because of Chandra, what will be there? Tithi. That's how it gave, right? Ahoratradi lakshanas, tithyadi lakshanas cha. Tithi will be because of Chandrama. Kartrubhedat dvaividyam unneyam. Kalasya dvairupye satyadi कालस्य द्वैरूप्ये सति आद्य कंडिका विषयम आह. कालस्य द्वैरूप्ये आद्य कंडिका विषयम इस तत्र अहोरात्रादि लक्षणात् तावद् अतिमुक्ति. अहोरात्रयोर मृत्युत्वे सिद्धे ताभ्याम अतिमुक्तिर वक्तव्या. अहोरात्रयोर मृत्युत्वे सिद्धे, when अहोरात्र they are understood as मृत्यु, ताभ्याम अतिमुक्ति, freedom from them, वक्तव्या. तदेव कथम इति आशंका. How that will happen? अहोरात्राभ्याम हि सर्वं जायते वर्धते विनश्यते. यज्ञ साधनम, नेक्स्ट इज तथा यज्ञ साधनम च. तथा यज्ञ साधनम च जायते वर्धते विनश्यति. It also will have the same destiny. Yajna sadhanam means yajnasya. टीका. यज्ञ साधनम च तथा ताभ्याम जायते वर्धते नश्यति च इति संबंध. यज्ञ साधनम also will have जायते वर्धते विनश्यति. Everything will have the same fate. प्रतिवचन व्याख्याने यज्ञ शब्दार्थम आह यजमानस्य. यज्ञ means यजमान. We saw this yesterday. यज्ञ is यजमान. यज्ञ से यजमानस्य चक्षुः अध्वर्युश्च शिष्टानि अक्षराणि पूर्ववन्नेयानि. यजमान, यज्ञ से यजमानस्य चक्षुः and अध्वर्यु. That's all. Rest, like how we did in the previous mantra, means they should be seen as Aditya, that upasana one should do. Everything, Bhashyakar is not repeating anything now. Samuktihi ityasya tatparyartham aha. That is mukti, means yajmanasya chakshuhu advaryuscha sadhanadvayam अध्यात्म अधिभूत परिच्छेदम हित्वा अधिदैवतात्मना दृष्टम यत् स मुक्ति. अध्यात्म अधिभूत परिच्छेदम हित्वा, अध्यात्म अधिभूत परिच्छेद which is there, having given that up, अधिदैवतात्मना दृष्टम. It should be seen as adhidaiva. Drishtam means upasitam. Yet samukti, that upasana is called mukti. In 7 number tippani, it's gone adhvaryuna. Drishtam samukti. टीका. तस्यैव अक्षरार्थम कथयति सो अध्वर्युः. सो अध्वर्युः आदित्य भावेन दृष्टो. That अध्वर्यु is आदित्य भावेन दृष्टो. मुक्ति ही, that is मुक्ति. यथोक्त रीत्या आदित्यात्मत्वे अपि कथम अहोरात्र लक्षणान् मृत्योः अतिमुक्तिः अतः. यथोक्त रीत्या आदित्यात्मत्वे अपि, आदित्यात्मत्वे अपि, आदित्य रूपेण उपासनम that is done. So vidusha means upasakasya. This upasaka will have aditya bhava, adityatmatve api. Katham ahoratra lakshanan mutyoho ati. How will he go beyond day and night? He will also have day and night, whether he is doing upasana or not. Ataha aditya bhavena drishto muktihi. Saiva muktihi eva ati muktihi. When he is seen as aditya bhava, then there is mukti. Quotation is given from Shruti. No deta nastamete nastameta ityadi shrutehe aditye vastuto na ahoratre staha. In Aditya, day and night are not there. Chandogya 3:11:1 is already given, so you don't have to look into it. Na ahoratre staha. तथा च तदात्मनि विदुषी अपि न ते संभवता. But in Aditya there is no day and night. But I am here as Upasaka. So when you attain Aditya Bhava, you will not have day and night. You will not have day and night means the way Kala goes so fast, you will not have that. Aditya Prapti is not moksha. You will come back. It is apekshika moksha. That's all. न अहोरात्रे स्तः तथा च तदात्मनि विदुषी अपि न ते संभवतः इत्यर्थः. So in vidushi सप्तमी एक वचन विदुषी अपि ते न संभवतः. 17. तथा च is 17 टिप्पणी. आदित्ये तयोर वस्तुतो अभावे च. भाष्य इति पूर्ववद आदित्यात्म भावम आपन्नस्य ही न अहोरात्रे संभवतः. आदित्यात्म भाव आपन्नस्य अहोरात्रे न संभवतः. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.